students, today I am going to start question number 1 of exercise 8.1. Now before we start, let me explain what is ratio and how to express it. Okay, ratio means, as you all know, ratio means when you compare two quantities, right? Now let me take an example. For example, there are two sisters, one is Reena and another is Tina. Okay, now Reena is suppose 20 years old and Tina is 15 years old, and we have to find the ratio of their ages, ratio of Reena's age and Tina's age. Okay, so what we have to do, we will have to put Reena at first in the numerator, then we will have to put Tina in the denominator. So this shows that we are finding the ratio of Reena's age to Tina's age. Okay, now Reena's age is given, which is 20 years, and Tina's age is given, which is 15 years. Now we will, since this is not in simplest form, we will have to cut it and convert into simplest form. So 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15. So the ratio of Reena's age to Tina's age is 4:3. Okay, so this is the symbol of ratio. So Reena is to Tina means Reena's age. If you have to find the ratio of Reena's age to the Tina's age, then the ratio will be 4:3. Okay, now here I have not written years because when we divide these years, it will be cancelled. Okay, so we can write 20 by 15. Now suppose in this sum, if Tina's age is given at first, Tina's age is 15 years and Reena's age is 20 years, and you have to find the ratio of Tina's age to Reena's age. So we have to maintain sequence here. Tina's age is given at first, we will have to find Tina's age to Reena's age. So here Tina will be in the numerator and Reena will be in the denominator. Okay, and see, Tina's age is 15, so 15 will be in the numerator and 20 will be in the denominator. So 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So ratio of Tina's age to Reena's age will be 3:4. Okay, so basically while finding ratio, we need to maintain the sequence. If Reena's name is given at first, then see, I have written Reena in the numerator and Tina's name I have written in the denominator. And in other question, when Tina's name is given at first and when we will have to find the ratio of Tina and Reena, then Tina's name will be written on the top, means on the numerator, and Reena's name will be on the denominator. So while doing ratio, we will have to maintain this. Okay, we will have to do accordingly. So in the first part, we have speed of a cycle 15 km per hour to the speed of scooter 30 km per hour. So here speed of cycle is given at first. So we will write speed of a cycle in the numerator. Okay, and then we will write speed of scooter in the denominator. Now speed of a cycle is given 50 km per hour and speed of scooter is given 30 km per hour. So 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. So the ratio of speed of a cycle to the speed of scooter is 1:2. Okay, now coming to B part. Now in the B part, we have pi meter to 10 kilometers. So we will have to find the ratio of pi meter to 10 kilometers. So 5 meter is given at first. So we will write 5 meter in the numerator and 10 kilometer in the denominator. Now see here, two different unit is given, so we will have to make the unit same. Now here this is kilometer from meter. We will have to convert from kilometer to meter. Why? Because we will have to convert, we will have to make the unit same. Here already we have given in meter and here we have kilometer, so we will have to convert from kilometer to meter. Now always remember, while converting from bigger unit to smaller unit, here kilometer is the bigger unit than meter. So while converting from bigger unit, we always have to multiply. Now 1 kilometer means 1000 meter, right? So that means from when you are converting from 10 kilometer to meter, you have to multiply by 1000. As we are converting from bigger unit to smaller unit, so we will have to multiply. So 5 meter will remain same, and while converting from 10 kilometer to meter, we'll write 10 into 1000 meter, because 1 kilometer means 1000 meters. So 10 kilometer means 10 into 1000. Now meter cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So here in the numerator we have got 1, and in the denominator 2 into 1000 is 2000. So the ratio of 5 meter to 10 kilometer will be 1:2000. Okay. Now in the next part we have 50 paise to rupees 5. So we will have to find the ratio of paise to rupees. So obviously we will write 50 paise in the numerator and rupees 5 in the denominator, right? Now here we have again two different units, so we will have to convert from rupees to paise and we will have to make the unit same. Now here rupees is greater unit than paise, so while converting from rupee to paise, we need to multiply. Now 1 rupee means 100 paise, right? So in the numerator we have 50 paise, it will remain same. Now 5 rupees will be converted to paise, so 5 into 100 paise, because 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise, so 5 rupees means 5 into 100, right? Now paise will be cancelled. Now 0 will be cancelled and 5 will be cancelled. So in the numerator we have 1. So what is the ratio of 50 paise to rupees 5? It's 1 by, see here we have 10 only, so it's 1 by 10. So the ratio of 50 paise to rupees 5 is 1:10. Okay. So this was all about question number 1. Thank you students.